Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Tinder, Primetime and Boost on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go to your main screen where you see potential matches and swipe cards. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Boost or My Boost. Boost makes your profile appear at the top of the stack for 30 minutes so more people see you quickly. Tinder often has prime time, which is a period when most users are active, usually in the evening. Using a boost during prime time increases your visibility even more because more people are swiping at the same time. When you tap boost, Tinder may show you a suggested time, which often aligns with prime time. Tap use now to activate it immediately or schedule it for the prime time hours. You will see a countdown while your boost is active, so you know when your profile is getting maximum exposure. During the boost, more people will see your profile, check your messages and matches. You will likely get more swipes and matches in that 30 minutes. And that's it. Using a boost during Tinder Prime Time is a simple way to get more attention and matches on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.